7b97z43e, line 22, photons, atomic dance, swap, spin, entangle, Fibonacci formula, 5G Wow Seti, and this is video E. So you want to start with number A, because it's 5 videos of formulas. There's the alien radio signal, and today is September 23rd. The keyword research about an atomic dance in quantum qubits, laser beams, rubidium atoms for a UFO space communication ship. That was found in the WOW data. Line 22 formulas beginning with B to F from A. September 5th, there's the previous video, which is D. There's the atomic dance. There's lots of rubidium atoms that were in this little dance thing, square dance that they did. September 5th, my thoughts. I filmed it this way because there's so many formulas. I keep repeating myself. Okay, our formula is going to continue. Atoms up and down merged all double wells to force each pair of atoms into the same well, where they interact with each other, magnetic attraction. Two such identical atoms forced into the same physical location, quantum mechanics. So we'll cross-reference lines 1 to 22 formulas and cross-reference lines 1 to 27 WOW data with the word quantum mechanics. I forgot to add that in there. Okay. Because there's tons of formulas that came up with quantum mechanics, and I didn't know what quantum mechanics was when I got the formulas, so now I know. Okay, imposes a specific type of symmetry, quote from Wiki, only 2 or 4 seemingly possible combinations of quantum states are allowed. My thoughts. Something is telling me there are 6 quantum states allowed. You just haven't figured out the other 2 yet. But the WOW signal will have a formula for you to do so. According to Errol, the UFO crash alien 1947, Roswell, Mexico says so. She says that you're going to find 2 more. Okay? Formula from the data continues. Due to this restriction, merged atoms oscillate between condition in which one atom is 1 up and the other is 0 down. The behavior unique identical particles as they swap spin atoms pass in and out of entanglement, creating a mirror effect with one another's states. As the half-swap point, or the nodes, the spin of each atom is uncertain, if measured, might turn out to be either up or down. It's like a person that uses right and left hands to write. Look it up to find that it is called ambidexterity. Quote Wiki. Ambidexterity is the state of being equally adept in the use of both left and right appendages, such as the hands. It is one of the most famous varieties of cross-dominance. My thoughts. Humans are made up of dark matter particles. They can be ambidexterity in mannerism, so can atoms. Errol says so. Formula continues. Whatever the result, measurement on the other atom, equally uncertain before the measurement, is the opposite. Like magnets that repel one another, opposites attract while similar forces repel. Entanglement. Key features enables quantum computation, portal work reported in Nature, first-time quantum mechanics symmetry. Exchange, I'm going to Google that. Exchange symmetry has been used to perform such entangling operations with atoms. Current setup, not scalable, equals to an arbitrary computer architecture. Google. Portal says since it performs same spin swap in parallel for all pairs of atoms. Researchers developing ways to address manipulate any pair of atoms in lattice, which should allow scalable architectures. I'm going to Google that. The keyword scalable architectures, quote from Wiki. In electronics, including hardware, communication, and software, scalability is the ability of a system, network, or process to handle a growing amount of work in a capable manner, or its ability to be enlarged to accommodate that growth. So that makes me think of bandwidth. Bandwidth for internet surfing. That's what it makes me think. So the formula continues. Not all atoms participate in swap process, creating a balance of net forces, which would be, let's see, Newton's second law of motion, right? Second law of motion. Adding that in. Oops. Okay, so imperfect initial loading of atoms in lattice. Quote from Wiki. Some double wells contained only 1 atom and had no partners to exchange with. That's what was happening with that quantum dance thing. The scientists estimate swap worked for 65% of the double wells. Now that's pretty low, if you think about it, because not all of them loaded properly. So the NIC, and so this is, hold on, formula continues, I goofed up, sorry. NIST group continues work improving reliability of each step, and on completing logic operation by separating the atoms after they interact. So the Higgs boson signal separates protons from electrons after signal completes in CERN 2012 results. We can use this, my thoughts. We can use the Higgs boson signals to separate our atoms and cause the quantum dance to process at the speed of light in the right conditions, which we don't know what those are yet, but I'm sure we'll figure it out. Formula continues in the next video. Thanks for watching.